What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Get ready for the latest tech reviews.
In addition to Kite Flying Festival, MetaHome also organized a MetaHome awareness event during the previous week. This initiative focused on educating people about the MetaHome ecosystem, its goal, and its future potential. A large number of participants attended the event, showing strong curiosity and support for the project. Such awareness campaign play a vital role in building trust and spreading knowledge among both new and existing investors. MetaCoin is an emerging digital asset that is steadily gaining global attention through strong community engagement and real-world promotional activities. One of the most notable milestones for MetaHome took place on 20 February when the project successfully organized a kite flying event in South Korea. This event was not a local celebration, it's attract enthusiastic MetaHome fans from all around the world, highlighting the growth international interest in the project. This event symbolized freedom, innovative and community-driven vision behind MetaHome Queen. MetaCoin is backed by official website metacoin.im, where user can explore detailed information about the project, its roadmap, and its long-term vision. The website serves as a central hub for update and announcement, making it easier for the community to stay connected and informed. For those interested in buying or holding, MetaCoin is available on DigiFinex app, a well-known cryptocurrency trading platform. This accessibility allows users from different regions to participate in MetaHome ecosystem. With as overall, MetaCoin is a potential itself as a more than just digital currency. Through successful global events, strong community involvement, and reliable platform for trading, MetaHome continue to build momentum and establish its presence in crypto community. This time, MetaCoin is giving different reward, review reward, MetaMall transaction, staking reward, and certification fees payment. You can also get from MetaHome systems. On their official website, they have provided a long roadmap that will allow you to work with MetaHome. In MetaHome, monthly functions, the next function they will organize in April, where Park Goals event will be happening in April. So already we had a cat flying event in February. All the users from all over the world participated. Below you can join their community on their website. The link, I will provide you website link in the description. You can join them. If you have any inquiry, you can also contact with MetaHome. So this is their website page that is very clear, very optimistic future and bright future they have. So on the front side, they have provided something for humanity as well. So after clicking on the front MetaHome.center, they have merged this site with MetaHome website, and now you will see this sort of interface, this sort of page. So basically they designed this page for humanity, the people who have passed from this world. Now you can talk with them through AI technology. You can talk with your deceased beloved person through AI technology by providing their voice sample, and by providing their pictures you can talk with them. So AI letter reply you can get, AI voice reply you can get, and you can also get video reply as well through in a 3D space. As a sample you need to give them. So first you need to consult a assistant through MetaHome website, and then they will talk with you. After that you need to give all the samples, all the required things, and then gradually you will talk with them through 3D AI space and 3D AI technology. The number one process request for consultation, and number two data delivery system, number three space creation, and number four use of services. So these four steps you have to follow, and after following these four steps you can talk with your beloved deceased person that already passed from this world. So that is the detail, and this work the MetaHome is all doing for humanity. So right now this national healing soul system is available in 6 regions. So here you can see the map and regions. Right now it's available in 6 regions, and you can get 30% discount. We offer a 30% discount if you prepare in advance. We offer a 30% discount. Premium space event during your lifetime we provide it for free, so you can get premium space totally free, and you can also get AI voice restoration totally free of cost. So get pre-sale consultation, click here, and you will automatically follow the step, and you will contact or you will talk with your beloved deceased person. So MetaHome is available on DigiFinex app, that is a well-renowned exchange. MetaHome is already listed here, and in couple of upcoming days they will also launch their own exchange as well. So for buying MetaHome you need to click on that trade option, and then you can select sport option. After selecting the sport option, in sports section you need to search here in the front USD. Here on the arrow you need to click here, and in search section you need to type MetaHome and then you will automatically get Meta Home Queen on the front. After selecting that, here you have your Meta Home Queen. So you can on the front you can see there 24-hour volumes. It's 195 million Meta Queen. It is in circulation in 24 hours, and here that is the potential growth you can see here, and you can also see 24-hour volume in USD as well. For buying MetaQueen, here after watching the circulation note, I will tell you how you can buy it. For buying it, you need to put in sports section. In buy section, you need to put the Meta Home Queen. In below in USD section, you have to put the Meta Home Queen, and then you will automatically accumulate it. Right now, market is very low. It's accumulation phase. Bits is crashing, all the other currencies is crashing, and right now all those currencies are in bottom, but within couple of days market will get momentum again, and then you will see a massive boom in market. So this is a perfect accumulation phase. Right now market is totally on the bottom. So if you buy Meta Home right now, let's suppose you buy it from 500 USD, on the front you will see Meta Home Coin amount, and in upcoming days you will see a very good momentum in market, and you will get multiple access. So that is how you can buy.